On my way, Daddy.
What?
Oh, so ignore that, Dad. That was meant for someone else.
But it said daddy, and I'm your only daddy, so how is that the wrong person?
Dad, just ignore it, okay? I'm going to a friend's house.
What's her name?
Jack.
Lol, I feel bad for her. What parents were so sure to name their girl Jack?
No, Dad, my friend is not a girl. It's a guy. His name is Jack.
You're not going to no boy's house. Don't even try it. Stay home.
What the fuck, Dad? We got paired up for a school project and we need to work on it. Otherwise, we will fail the class.
Do you think I'm stupid? I used to use that excuse all the time. Back in the day, they used to call me Sneaky Slayer, because I would make it seem like I'm going to the girl's house to do homework, when in reality I'm doing...
I didn't need to know all that, but it's not like that, Dad, I swear. Do you not trust me?
Of course I trust my most prized possession. I just want you to be safe.
That is so sweet, Dad. You can believe me, Dad. I'm just going over to do some work, that's all. Jack the Hammer and I will be working very hard.
Jack the what?
Jack the Hammer. That's his nickname. Why?
Why do they call him that? There must be a reason. This seems weird.
Oh, well, they say he's like a jackhammer because he goes up and down really fast or something. I'm not too sure, Dad. Anyways, bye, Dad. No way. Dad, I can see why they call him Jack.